Class 8 Science, Chapter 7 Particulate Nature of Matter. Detailed notes. What is matter composed of? Activity chalk grinding. Constituent particles. Activity dissolving sugar. What decides the different states of matter? Solid state. Activity hammering solids. Liquid state. Activity water in containers. Activity finger in water. Boiling point. Evaporation. Gaseous state. Activity smoke in gas jars. How does interparticle spacing differ in three states of matter? Activity series compression. Activity dissolving sugar in water. Activity with sand. Packing of particles. Solids, liquids, gases. How particles move in different states of matter? Activity potassium permanganate in water. Activity incense stick. Summary table of particle nature of matter with property solid, liquid and gas. A step further, let's wrap up.